In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Revit cache safely for a fresh start. Before we begin, make sure Revit is completely closed. Save and sync any open work, then close the application so no files are in use. Starting with a clean shutdown prevents file locks and ensures everything clears properly. Next, open File Explorer on your computer. We're heading to the local cache folders that Revit uses to store temporary collaboration data and logs. These files can become bloated or corrupt over time, causing slow performance, odd syncing issues, or launch problems. Clearing them forces Revit to rebuild a fresh set the next time you start it. Navigate to your user profile on the C drive, then into App Data, Local, Autodesk, and finally Revit. The App Data folder is a system folder that many users don't visit often, and it's where Revit keeps a lot of its temporary working data. Open the folder named Collaboration Cache. Inside, select the contents and delete them. You're not deleting your projects or central models, just temporary cache data that Revit will recreate as needed. If you run into a file that won't delete, double check that Revit is closed and try again. Now go back to the Revit folder and open journals. These are the log files Revit writes while you work, and they can take up significant space. Remove the old journal files you no longer need. This can help with startup issues and keep your system tidy. Next, head to App Data, Local, Autodesk, and open the BIM 360 folder. Delete its contents as well. This clears stale cloud-related data and prompts Revit to download fresh, up-to-date information the next time you open your models. If you use Revit Cloud Work Sharing, take one extra precaution. Exit Desktop Connector from the system tray before deleting any cached cloud model files. Closing it ensures those files aren't in use, so they can be removed cleanly. After it's closed, remove the cached cloud model data, just like you did with the other folders. With the caches cleared, start Revit again. The first launch may be a bit slower as Revit rebuilds its caches and reestablishes connections. That's normal. Open your projects and confirm that performance or syncing issues have improved. Everything you remove today is temporary working data or logs, not your actual project files. This routine is a safe, effective way to resolve common glitches and keep Revit running smoothly. If issues persist, you can repeat this process periodically as part of regular maintenance.